Hello and welcome to our CA326 video walkthrough of our app ShoppingPal. Once download and installation is complete, a user can click on the app and will be met with the following screen. New and existing users will be met with this screen where they can either log in or register. So I'm just going to give you a brief walkthrough of how a user can register. So he or she clicks the register app. Then if I put in an address, say if I put in an invalid email, so Ben, and my password will be 123456. If I register, I'll be met with the following: registration failed, the email address is badly formatted. So the email address needs to have an @ address, it needs to be correct. So if I just put in ben@gmail.com, it should work. I'm just gonna fix, because I made a mistake on the password. Also, if I have less than 6 characters in the password, it'll fail also. They said the password should be at least six characters long, so I'll put it in 6 characters. I'll then register, and registration has been successful. So I'm now automatically logged into the app. On this home screen, as you can see, there are multiple options. A user can select a profile, show selected items within each profile, create a profile themselves, scan a barcode, or go into their user settings. So I'm going to briefly walk you through each one of those now. So the first option, up the top right hand of the screen, you can see user settings. So if you press the cog up the top right, you'll be met with a user settings screen. From here, a user is prompted to either log out or delete account. So if a user decides to delete account, he'll be asked, is he sure? So I'm just going to press cancel for that right now, or log out. And to get back to the home screen, we'll just press the back button. From here, a user can select a profile. So if a user decides to scan a barcode without selecting a profile, like so, they will be asked to please select a profile first. So we're just going to run through each profile. So we have the 14 most common food allergies worldwide. So wheat, crustaceans, eggs, etc. And also down the end, we have a WADA banned substances list. So this contains the most up-to-date 2018 banned substances list from the World Anti-Doping Agency. So if a professional athlete is in fear of failing a drugs test, or just wants to remain on the safe side of it, he or she can download this app and select this profile when scanning their pharmaceutical products or their products themselves. So if a user does not see their contained allergy within within the selected predefined profiles, they can create a profile. So we'll just go out of that. So to create a profile, you must press the Create Profile app. So enter a profile name. I'm just going to call it berries, for example. And we have to enter individual items and then press Add Item after each item has been added. So I'm just going to fix that spelling mistake, apologies. So within berries, for example, we might have strawberry, add item. So that automatically pushes it down into the list and lower cases it and takes the preceding and the ending white space off the item. So what else do I want to add? Blueberries, add item, and raspberries. Add item. So if I want to save this profile now, as you can see, we have the following ingredients within the berries profile. If I save this profile added successfully. So that's perfect. If we want to go back to the home screen now, we will see within our contained profiles down the end, berries will be a profile. So I'm just going to use that berries now to scan. So if I press, if I press show selected items within the berries profile, we'll see that strawberries, blueberries and raspberries are contained. Likewise within wheat, let's say, all the wheat ingredients are contained within the wheat profile. Okay. For reference, I'm just going to scan a few barcodes for you now to kind of have a mock ShoppingPal experience. So if I press the scan button, as you can see, we have a few products here. So if I scan the barcode of this with wheat selected, obviously wheat is an ingredient. So we scan that barcode, the screen will turn red, showing us that we cannot take this product, it's not safe for consumption. So details given up top, the product name, the barcode number, the contents contained within this product, and the contents that we are specifically restricted to dependent upon the profile we've selected. So obviously red is fairly self-explanatory. It's not safe for consumption. So if I were to scan with the same profile selected wheat, if I was to scan this salad cream, for example, we would get a green background. This product is safe for consumption, again, with the product name, the barcode number, the contents contained within the specific product, and the contents that we were restricted to. So for another reference, I'm going to select a different profile, say a different user is allergic to milk, let's say. We then go to scan a product. I'm going to select soya milk here. So we get the green item is safe for consumption. Again, the product name, barcode number contains. So that's obviously successful. If I was to pick soya, because we're scanning soya milk, it should soya scan. Yeah, so contained within this product, specific to the profile we selected, the soya bean, we're not allowed to take that product. So the red screen comes up and it tells us the product is not safe for consumption. So this simple traffic light system, I feel, is a really easy and kind of intuitive way for elderly users to know whether or not they can contain a product or not. So for further reference, if a product is not contained within the Tesco database, for example, this chocolate bar, upon scanning the barcode, we'll be met with a blue screen with the product name and barcode number, but there are no contents defined. It is sold in Tesco, but Tesco have no information within the database about the product, so we cannot use this for our profile information. So after a user has scanned the product, they're met back with the home screen. If a user goes to his user settings, he can choose to log out or delete account. If logged out, the user will be automatically logged out and be brought to the login screen where he can register a new account or log in. Upon deleting an account, the user's information will be deleted and they will have to re-register in order to use the app. So if we delete account and delete, we'll be met with the home screen again. This has been our CA326 video walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for your time.